Hello Kuldeep. It is so good to have you. And Kuldeep, you are an
Yes, ma'am.
inspiration to all the aspiring developers. जैसे कि आपने हार नहीं मानी to become a coder. And
Yes,
seeing
ma'am.
our alumni grow is always very motivating for us. So Kuldeep, I would like
Yes,
to
ma'am.
know more about you. Like, who is Kuldeep and how was it before Sharpener?
Mm-hmm. Okay, ma'am, sure. So basically, so myself Kuldeep Singh Jatan and I'm from Gwalior, Madhya Pradesh. So I did my schooling and BTech in Gwalior only. So I did a BTech in Information Technology from Madha Institute of Technology and Science, and I graduated in the year 2023. So like if I talk about before Sharpener, so so in my final year at 2023, I was not getting place anywhere actually. Like it was a recession time, like as we know. So I was trying very hard, but I was not getting place anywhere, and like I was very much demotivated also, and very much depressed. So like I always feel like there should be someone to guide me, and providing me the opportunities. So like in this way I like came in touch with Sharpener.
Did you know coding before Sharpener, Kuldeep?
Yes, so since I was from IT background, I did a BTech in IT. So from second year itself, I started to do DSA and some software development stuff. But
Okay.
the only thing, like I always felt misguided and confused whether should I do this, and yeah. So in Sharpener, like I got some guidance and the opportunities,
Okay.
but like whatever like coding I had done previously, that helped me a lot in doing a course, in completing a course in Sharpener.
Okay. So Kuldeep, मैं जानना चाहूँगी how has your journey been in these 2 years?
So yeah, it's actually a very good journey. Like I already mentioned, like before, I was very much depressed and demotivated since I was not getting place anywhere, and I always felt like there should be some seniors who will always guide me and
Okay.
motivate me and giving me the opportunity. So in Sharpener in this 2 year, I always feel like that guidance, and I always feel motivated. Why? Because if I will do hard work, definitely I will get the opportunities for the placement. So yeah, and course was also very well structured. So yes, so actually in these 2 years, I always remains motivated for doing in hard work.
Great. कुलदीप मैं मैं जानना चाहूँगी वर्किंग एज अ सॉफ्टवेयर डेवलपर विद डिफरेंट टेक स्टैक
Mm-hmm.
ऑलवेज एक
Mm-hmm.
इशू फेस करते थे आप बिकॉज आई नो इट वेरी वेल बिकॉज मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम्स आई टू शेड्यूल इंटरव्यू तो ऑलवेज बिकॉज ऑफ अ डिफरेंट टेक स्टैक वो आपकी शॉर्टलिस्ट नहीं होती थी सो हाउ
Yes, ma'am.
एवर लाइक वॉट वॉज दैट वन थिंग यू डिड टू गेट योर प्रोफाइल शॉर्टलिस्टेड लाइक क्या किया आपने कुछ स्पेशल
So, if I talk about, like in my previous company, there was like internal framework, and actually that
ओके
internal framework was built on top of Node.js and Angular, and actually it was very
ओके
much similar to Node.js. All the like backend operation we could perform there in framework itself. So so more than 1 year, I did a lot of work in that framework, and in very much depth I worked in that internal framework and those backend operations in very much depth. And like parallelly, I was like already I knew Node.js very well, and I was parallelly improving my Node.js skills also. So
ओके
actually, like the combination of that helped me a lot in presenting myself for a backend development, since I was working in very much depth and I already had a very good knowledge of Node. So like in that way, this actually helped me a lot to present me as a like experienced backend engineer. And like if I talk about front end, so I learned React only from the Sharpener. But if you know, like from the next company, they given the assignment in the Vue.js. But
ओके
I didn't know even the single thing about Vue.js. I don't know even how to set up the project in Vue.js. But since like I know React.js very well, I was able to complete that assignment like within 2 days. Not actually I complete in 2 day. One day more extra it took.
Yes,
So
I do understand.
so so like the thing is, if you work in whatever tech stack, if you work in very much depth, you like try to go in very much depth, you can manage the things. You can manage the things because I know React.js very well. Like Vue.js and React are different, but concepts are same, like centralized state management, state, and like local state management. So with the help of ChatGPT, anyhow, I was able to complete that like front end assignment, and like and came for Vue.js here.
ओके,
So
ग्रेट कुलदीप,
like
आपकी
in
जर्नी,
this way.
एक चीज़ आपसे बात करके पता चला कि आपने हार नहीं मानी, एंड दैट इज़ द ट्रू
Yes.
इंस्पिरेशन, लाइक दैट्स द थिंग, बिकॉज बहुत बच्चे ना हार मान जाते हैं एंड देन वो बहुत परेशान
Hmm.
हो जाते हैं, डिप्रेशन हो जाता है, बट लाइक हैट्स
Hmm.
ऑफ टू यू, आपने हार नहीं मानी एंड यू प्रूव्ड योर
Hmm.
सेल्फ.
Hmm.
सो Kuldeep, can you share your experience with the first interview opportunity you got through Sharpener? Like, how did it go?
Yes. So actually, so after I completed the back end, like 1 year back, like 1.5 year back. So there was one company. Actually, that company was recruiting for 1 year experienced person, but don't know. I think somehow my resume got there, and so I was a fresher, and I cracked all the interview. But since I was a fresher, they given me for the internship role, like after the internship plus full time role. But then like suddenly in one more company for a full time, like in previous company only I got placed, so I joined at another company.
Okay. And Kuldeep, मैं जानना चाहूँगी, why did you like choose us again for your second placement as well?
So like from so actually the thing is, like in this time getting the interview itself is very much difficult. Lot of time I've applied from my side. So like what I feel, like getting an interview is very much difficult than preparing for the interview. So but because like here we can get the interview schedule very much easily in comparison if we would apply that. So yes, so that's why I go with Sharpener, because here I felt we can get the interview like very much easily. We have to just perform well in the interview. We have to work hard and improve ourselves, and like did a good in the interview.
Okay. And मैं ये भी जानना चाहूँगी प्रतीक, like, do you have any tips for people looking for a job? Like,
So yes, so like what I can suggest them, like yeah, like I have also gone through that period where I was not getting place anywhere, as I mentioned. So it's all, so sometime it becomes very much frustrating, and but what I can only suggest to like have some patience and consistently doing the hard work. And if they will consistently doing hard work, definitely one day they will get what they want, whatever they want.
definitely, definitely.
So we should in this time they should have some patience, and consistently they should do the hard work, and
So
the
कुलदीप, मैं
else
ये
other
बताना
thing
चाहूँ,
they can, else they can uh, and believe on God for whatever hard work they are doing.
डेफिनेटली गॉड इज लाइक ऑलवेज देयर, बट स्टिल गॉड उन्हीं को हेल्प करते हैं जो खुद की हेल्प करते हैं, दैट्स अ सेइंग. तो ऑब्वियसली
Yes,
हमें
yes,
लाइक
yes,
खुद को हेल्प पहले करना होगा एंड देन गॉड इज ऑलवेज देयर, दैट
yes,
इज द थिंग.
yes, yes, yes. So
ओके.
consistency and hard work is the main thing.
Definitely, Kuldeep. And I have seen you. I've seen
Mhm.
the, you took the pain in completing the projects and everything. And no
Mhm.
matter मैंने आपको
Mhm.
जो भी बोला, गाइड किया कि कुलदीप रात को 3-3
Mhm.
बजे तक आपने बैठ के काम किया है. So obviously, and
Yes,
I'm
that
sure it,
assignment.
and I was also very
Actually,
confident कि कुलदीप you will do it, right? So that's the thing.
yes, yes,
So
yes,
आज आपकी मेहनत पे रंग लाया है, definitely कुलदीप.
yes. So that assignment actually, which I had to complete in 2 days, and I never had worked on Vue.js. As I told, I don't know anything about Vue.js, and in that 2 3 days, there was immense pressure from the office. There was so much office work also, and plus I had to do this assignment as well. But anyhow,
डेफिनेटली,
with
आई रिमेम्बर मैंने
ChatGPT,
आपको
I
कॉल कर करके बोलती कुलदीप कर लो. आई
Mhm.
रिमेम्बर.
In night, yes, I anyhow I completed and submitted.
Great, great. At least see, आपने struggle किया तो you got the result also, right? So that's the
Yes,
thing.
yes,
So Kuldeep, it was great to have you with us. Like all the best for your future, and Sharpener का नाम रोशन
yes.
करते
Thanks,
रहना
man.
definitely.